Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transform this office which I'm sitting in into an office workshop study of my dreams if I will ever get the chance to make an actual physical transformation. So I don't know, but today I'm going to do a 3D interior transformation using software. So just to put more challenge into the project, I'm going to retain some things in this room. And you see these yellow walls around me, I'm going to retain that. And we have a yellow office chair, which is going to stay. And my business partner says she wants me to add pink into the room as well. So let's see how we can make that transformation. So this is one part of the room. You can see that we also use the study as a photo studio, so I want to retain that layout, study/photo studio. And you can see that it's very untidy and the walls are yellow. This is another part of the room where we sit, and these are our workstations, and a lot of our things are stored underneath the desk. And I don't really like this L-shaped desk because I feel that for L-shaped desk configurations, there's a lot of unused space at the corner. And notice the pink curtains which will be replaced. So this is a standard size room, not much room to play around with. It's quite small, about 3 meters by 4 meters. But I must draw your attention to this orange office chair that we have and that we will retain in this digital transformation. First and foremost, we're going to look at the color scheme, which I really like to do, my favorite part. Okay, so I'm going to use the accented analogous color scheme. So analogous meaning that most of the colors are sitting side by side on the color wheel, and there are lots of warm colors. Yellow is going to be it's going to feature a lot in this color scheme, about 60% if you use the 60-30 rule, sorry, 60-30-10 rule, sorry. And then I'm going to use more of the beige and of the browns as well to pull all the colors together and to neutralize the warm colors as well. And I have this accent color, which is a bluish, green-blue color, which sits on the opposite side of the analogous color scheme, and that's why it's called the accented analogous color scheme. So we have this blue color as the accent color. And ta-da! This is a transformed study of my dreams. And you can see that we've used all the colors on the color wheel. Not on the color wheel, I think on the accented analogous color scheme, right? So the pink curtains are gone first and foremost, and that's been replaced by dark brown Roman blinds, so that looks a lot more modern and stylish. And more browns on the shelvings, where we will now place our individual items no longer under the desk. And there's a lot of focus on the functional area here, which is the workstation area where we sit down. It's actually not very big. We don't need a lot of space. We don't need an L-shaped desk for 2 workstations. Okay, so the orange chair is there, as you can see, and I want this nice Persian rug, which is very bright because I want the room to look bright and colorful. And I resisted from using a neutral colored rug, okay, because there's going to be a lot more beige and neutral colors on this wardrobe, which is a built-in ceiling to floor wardrobe, which will contain most of our bulky items. This is the other part of the room, right, which is my favorite part because I've created a sitting area where you can rest and relax and read if, let's say, I don't want to work and I want to chill off a bit, right? So the nice accent feature here you can see is on that blue armchair, and I've placed a nice playful looking polka dot cushion there, and there's this yellowish foot rest which kind of reflects the yellow off the wall, but not too much, right, because we don't have too much yellow around. But interestingly, I've created this nice art gallery, not just to beautify the room and to enjoy some art, but also to accompany some of this all the pop of colors that we have around the room. So you can see that you've got orange to accompany the orange chair that we have, and then my business partner wanted pinks, so we've got lots of pinks in there, in nice proportions, you know, in balanced proportions, not too much, right? And of course the accent blue chair, which I really love. Last but not least, this is the photo studio, which is just at the opposite wall across the workstations, and it's a very small photo studio, but it's no longer untidy, and it's a dedicated space for taking product photographs. So I hope you like this digital transformation, because I like it very much, and hopefully one day I can fulfill my dreams to transform my study. There's a bit of renovations to do, but yeah, so we have to wait for that. Okay, until then, stay tuned, and I hope we'll see you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.